Hi there, I'm Ismail from Perlemon. One of the most surprising things about AI search is this. A website can be mentioned in an AI generated answer even if it's not ranking number one or not even on page one. In traditional search engines like Google, visibility is heavily tied to ranking position, but AI systems work differently. Tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity AI don't just show rank lists, they select and synthesize content. In this lesson, we'll explain why ranking and citation are no longer the same thing. In traditional SEO, the model is simple. The higher you rank, the more visibility and clicks you get. If you are number one, high traffic. Page two, almost invisible. Everything revolves around position. AI search changes this model. Instead of ranking pages and letting users choose, AI systems gather multiple sources, extract relevant information, and combine them into a single response. So, visibility is no longer dependent on position alone. It depends on whether your content is selected. This is the key shift. Ranking and citation are decoupled. A page might rank highly but not be used for AI. Another page might rank lower but get selected because it has the better answer. In some cases, content isn't even highly visible in traditional search and can still appear in AI generated responses. AI systems focus heavily on semantic relevance. This means how well your content matches the meaning of the query, not just whether it ranks well for the keyword. If your page clearly answers a very specific question, it may be selected over a higher ranking page that is more general or less focused. Even if a page has strong authority, it may not be used in the content. It may not be used if the content is hard to extract. For example, long paragraphs, unclear answers, buried information. Meanwhile, a lower ranking page with a clear definition, structured formatting, and direct answers can be better for AI use. Traditional search tries to find the best page. AI doesn't think that way. It builds answers from multiple sources. This means you don't need to be the best overall page, you just need to contribute a useful piece. Even partial relevance can get you included. This shift changes how we think about SEO. The goal is no longer just to rank at the top, it's to provide clear, extractable answers, match specific questions, be within be usable within AI generated responses. You are not just competing for position anymore. You are competing to be part of the answer. To summarize, AI search breaks down the traditional link between ranking and visibility. Pages are selected based on relevance, clarity, and usability, not just position. This means even lower ranking pages can gain visibility if they provide content that AI systems can easily use. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.